Well, hello there, and welcome once more to Crunchy's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. Today we are making some simple Ghana style pancake, popularly called crêpes, or some people call it crepes. Whatever you call it, I hope you enjoy this simple recipe. I'm going to pour my flour into a mixing bowl. Add the rest of my dry ingredients. So I have my baking powder, nutmeg, sugar, and salt. I'm just going to zest my lemon right here onto the dry ingredients. It makes it easy for them to just split up, separate, instead of just doing it all the way into the liquid, because then it sticks together. If you don't like the zest, just don't add it. You want to just get the yellow part of your lemon, nothing else. The whitish part has a little bit of bitterness, so you want to try to omit that. Gonna mix everything together. Now I'll add my water, milk, my 4 eggs that I've cracked, pretty much everything. And you can easily make this in a blender as well. My vanilla extract, my homemade one, and my melted butter. Everything is in here now, and now I'm just going to mix it up. And as though it couldn't get any more lemony, I'm going to add the juice of half of my lemon here. This is going to be so good. Mix it all up. Our batter is ready. Just like that. Perfect consistency. Now time to fry this. My pan is hot. I'm going to apply a little bit of cooking oil. This is actually avocado oil. You can choose to pour like this, or use a little, whatever is more convenient for you. Once you've poured your butter in your pan, you want to just swirl it around or twirl it just like this. You want the batter to just spread all across the bottom of your pan. Once it's ready to be turned, you can tell just by looking at the edges. They turn up. Allow the other side to cook for about half a minute and your pancake is ready. You can transfer it directly onto a plate, or you can roll it, which I'm going to do this time around. So I'm just going to flip it like 3/4 way like this, and then bring it around to fold it just like you would if you were making a spring roll or a burrito, only you are only folding one side. Transfer my log onto my plate and fry some more. Very simple. Pour. Swirling your butter in your pan as soon as you pour it is very essential, because if you don't do that, it's not going to get a chance to spread and your pancake is just going to be very thick almost like the fluffy kind of pancake. I mean, shape wise, but it's not going to be fluffy either because this is not the batter for fluffy pancakes. So make sure you twirl it almost right away whilst your batter is still runny before it cooks. The perfect crepe always has this lacy, doily kind of pattern on the surface that cooked first. This side that is showing, I like to have this side show when I roll it or anything. So you know your crepe is perfect when it has this lacy, doily kind of pattern on it. I'm going to put this on the plate and we fry some more until our batter is done. Rolling your crepes in your hot pan is tricky. You could end up getting your fingers burnt, so I recommend that you do it on a plate. So once your crepe is cooked, just transfer it onto a plate and then you can roll it right after, or just stack everything, and that way when you bring it to the table, people can choose to put whatever they want in it before they roll it or eat it without even rolling it. So I'm going to be stacking the rest of my crepes now, because it also makes for beautiful presentation. I just think crepes are beautiful whichever way you choose to present them, whether you make them into logs, whether you roll them up into cones or triangles, or just stack them like I'm doing right now. Make a beautiful pile like this. Just look at how the edges are turning up. Turn up, turn up. Absolutely beautiful. To me, it is just one beautiful thing to make and serve. And I'm done making everything. I'm just going to go ahead and continue what I started. So I'm going to make logs out of all of this. And like I said, you could bring it to the table unrolled in a stack. If you are going to put any fillings in it, people like to put some Nutella in it, some fruit. Whichever way you choose to serve it, especially for an occasion, I would rather just leave it unrolled. On this particular day, however, I was trying to rekindle memories of our days on KNUST campus. My husband, then boyfriend, and I used to go to the commercial area on almost every Sunday after church service to have some pancakes and fresh yogurt. I absolutely looked forward to Sundays. Church service, a photo shoot every now and then at Studio 225, and of course our walk all the way from Unity Hall basement to Tech Junction. But of course we almost always made that pit stop at commercial area to get our pancakes and fresh yogurt. So I did go looking for some fresh yogurt, which was good, but came no close to the one we used to have on campus at all. But the pancake, I think I nailed it. Always do. It is beautiful. It is stretchy, sticky, you know, when we're trying. It's not dry. You are going to love it. I really hope you are able to try this recipe. Very simple, quick to whip up. Absolute deliciousness. Well, thanks so much for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.